Easykut Folding Lockback Utility Knife. Produced from super strong and mega lightweight ABS plastic, making it a simple and easy to use everyday item. It features a folding design to ensure safety when not in use and comes with one steel blade that locks in place with a plastic blade protector for extra security. All standard utility blades can be used with this knife. The durable ABS material has a strong resistance to corrosive chemicals, acute temperatures, and physical impacts. To fold the knife, simply slide the button in the direction away from the blade and fold. You will hear it click safely into position. To open, slide the button in the same direction and open out. Again, you will hear it click into position. To remove the blade, just hold the button and slide out. To replace the blade, hold the button again and slide back in. You will hear it click into position. The Easykut folding lockback knife is ideal to mark cut lines, trim wood, and cut numerous materials such as cardboard, strapping, cable ties, and tape. It has many uses, including around the home, for example in the kitchen for opening packaging or for scoring meat, and in the garden for cutting jute twine.